Recreation Leader for the city of El Segundo, and today we're gonna do an awesome science experiment. So first, you guys are gonna need 7 plastic cups, you're gonna need some paper towels, and you're gonna need 3 different colors of food coloring. So what you're gonna wanna do first is fill glasses 1, 3, 5, and 7 with some water. Now that we've got all our water, we're going to put some food coloring in each glass. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put red food coloring in my first and my last cup. And then I'm going to put yellow food coloring in my middle cup, and then blue food coloring in the next. Once you fold these paper towels, you're gonna wanna fold it in half again, and then all you gotta do is just stick them all in the cups. You guys can see that once I put the paper towel in the cup, the water starts climbing onto the paper towel.